The crop tool is another category, the third category of tools in the CorelDRAW tools box. So it's beneath the shape tool, under the shape tool. So it's used to remove the areas outside a selection. So this is how it is, and this one can use this for. So let's dive in. So this is the one I want to, the picture or image you want to work on, the object. So you click on the up to, so you just drag along anyhow you want to crop it. So let's assume this what we want. Let's assume this what we want. Yeah. So you can see it. So you can decide to work on it. So once it is clear, you can check more information here. It's not difficult. So once it is okay for you, you can crop. You can zoom down using the zoom tool to check what you are doing. So you go back to the crop tool. So can you see it? You can zoom to your selection. So this is how it is. So you crop it. Once it's okay for you, you crop. So that is how it is. It's not difficult at all. So you can zoom to page. Yeah. You're welcome.